Okay, so this is how you do the promotion part of the promotion and advertising task. And for Kylie, it's only the promotion part. She's not doing the advertising. So let's find the video that needs to be promoted. Here was negative, how to deal with negative customer reviews. I'm just in her Creator Studio. So let's click on it anyway. And really, you're just going to get it up and running. So click on it up here again. I'm just going to pause it real quick and then switch over to my account. So switch account over to Bright and West, and you're going to do a few things. So really, I mean, part of it is you'll watch the whole video. Just let it play, and don't play it at double speed or anything like that. Just let it play through, and that helps YouTube see that it's somewhat more popular. You'll add a comment, and you're pretty familiar with these videos, so you can easily add a comment from my account. And being that I haven't listened to this, I'm not exactly sure what the best comment is, but I'm just going to put something in that's semi-related. Okay, so that's a comment. That way she can respond to that comment, and that helps the algorithm. And the next thing is to go and click like. So we want to show that we liked this video. Then over to, let's do the plus sign with the 3 lines, add to, and that's going to be added to the portfolio. These clients post weekly videos. So this is for anyone in the YouTube Success Service that you're working with. So add them to my portfolio. Then click the share button, and we're going to go through here and share them on a number of different places. So essentially, I want you to choose at least 3 of these. I think maybe 3 or 4, and you're going to need my account access to all of these different social medias to make this happen. They don't have to be on my social media, so if you don't care, if you've got a throwaway Pinterest board or something like that, that's fine. So let me go in here. This is clients. It goes under the clients. And so that's on Pinterest. And then let's take it over to Google Plus and share from my Google Plus profile. I'm not really adding anything here. I'm just posting. This is just showing YouTube that it's been shared a number of times. And let's do Twitter. And on Twitter, I usually go in and pull up some of these. Actually, I'm going to go over to her other folder and pull up her notebook. And that'll show the hashtags that we'd like to use. Hashtags. So Pinterest, stumble upon, G plus Twitter. So I've promised those 4, plus sometimes Facebook. So go ahead and just copy out a few of these and add them to the tweet. This usually doesn't really do much, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Close that out. And so I said stumble upon. I've never really used this outside of this function. I'm just sharing my videos and my customers' videos. But you'll have to click Save for Work and then choose a main category for this. You can add additional categories down here. So let's just type business and then hit return, and it will add it to the list. Then just save that. You don't have to add additional unless there's something that you want that's clear. So we did stumble upon, we did Twitter, we did G+, we did Pinterest. Sometimes I do Facebook, and let's just not do that for these. I'll add in Facebook if needed. So I'll get you all those login names, and you can go through and do those. No worries on the timing. Ideally, though, just for the future, ideally when a video is released, within the first 24 hours after release, all of this sharing happens. The goal is to drive as much traffic and as many social signals as possible to YouTube in the first 48 hours. So we want to kind of do these things pretty quick. I'm not going to cover the advertising, but I'll cover that in another video because Kylie's not purchasing advertising.